Let's factorize the following expression. Here we can see that all of the coefficients are multiples of 2. We also see a common variable of x. So our common factor would be 2x. So when we factorize, we are simply dividing all of the terms by a common factor. But I write my common factor in front, and in the brackets, I write the solution of that division. So if my common factor is 2x, and I divide the first term by 2x, the answer would be x squared. If I divide the second term by 2x, the answer for that would be 2x. And if I divide the third term by a common factor of 2x, the answer would be -4. And that is how you take out a common factor.